thing first, want to do with condensed glue gel. I'm going to use the neon, and also I'm going to using my glow in the dark. This is so pretty. Don't forget the no white top coat. Can't find it. I don't know. You have to check it. Floating on the top. Because you don't do a autopilot, it's gonna be a manifest. I'm telling you. That's how it happened. Go back into the next 5 years. Then no more IGTV for you to watch. Just kidding. We'll just make it cool and fun and goofy together at work. Okay, that's it. That's super cute though. Should we adding something else? I'm loving this kit. It's so nice and bright. Perfect. You'll never go wrong with this. Cute, huh? So I'm gonna get the centerpiece in this beautiful designs. I am using the drop and the heart is centerpiece. And let's see. Good. Looks really good. I love the collection of this beads and frame on the neon kits, and also is glow in the dark kits. We selecting really super cute frame and charm is all different sizes of the beads, so you can really enjoying it, like get variety. These nails. So I'm using a combination of both. Let me see if I can grab the other one. It's right there. So cute. Right, so best thing about condensed glue gels and no white top coat, that you don't have to worry about whenever if you need to adjusting it, you can adjusting it the way you want, and then you can clear after you're happy with the design. All right, so I'm gonna clear for 60 seconds.